The Le Creuset Round Dutch Oven in the iconic flame color is a cornerstone of any high-quality kitchen collection. Renowned for its exceptional heat retention and even distribution, this 5.5 quarts vessel is crafted from premium enameled cast iron. The vibrant orange gradient finish is not just a style statement but a durable coating that resists chipping and cracking, ensuring the Le Creuset Round Dutch Oven remains a centerpiece on your stovetop for generations. Designed for versatility, this piece excels in everything from slow-cooking stews and braising meats to baking artisanal sourdough bread. The tight-fitting lid is engineered to lock in moisture and flavor, while the ergonomic handles provide a secure grip for easy transport from the oven to the table. Because it requires no seasoning and is compatible with all cooktops, the Le Creuset Round Dutch Oven simplifies the transition from complex prep work to finished restaurant-quality meals. Investing in this cookware means embracing a tradition of culinary excellence that balances functionality with timeless aesthetics. Its light-colored, smooth interior enamel makes it easy to monitor food progress and perform effortless cleanup after every use. Built to withstand daily wear while maintaining superior performance, this Dutch oven represents the pinnacle of craftsmanship, offering home chefs the reliability needed to master even the most demanding recipes. Pros: superior heat distribution and retention, requires no seasoning, durable enamel resists staining, light interior monitors cooking, tight lids circulate moisture, deep sides reduce splatters, ergonomic handles for easy lifting, safe for all cooktops, oven safe up to 500 F, dishwasher safe 45% larger handles, stylish heat-resistant knob, versatile for many recipes, keeps food warm longer, includes lifetime warranty. Cons: heavy to lift and carry, expensive price point, can be slow to heat, requires careful handling to avoid chips, hand washing. Recommended features: 5.5 quart capacity, enameled cast iron, signature round design, classic flame color, excellent heat retention, durable enamel finish, requires no seasoning, large ergonomic handles, tight-fitting lid, dishwasher safe, oven safe, compatible with cooktops. The Le Creuset Round Dutch Oven in the iconic flame color is a cornerstone of any high-quality kitchen collection. Renowned for its exceptional heat retention and even distribution, this 5.5 quarts vessel is crafted from premium enameled cast iron. The vibrant orange gradient finish is not just a style statement but a durable coating that resists chipping and cracking, ensuring the Le Creuset Round Dutch Oven remains a centerpiece on your stovetop for generations. The Le Creuset enameled cast iron signature round Dutch oven is highly regarded for its superior heat retention, durable stain-resistant finish, and versatile cooking performance, featuring ergonomic handles and a convenient light interior that simplifies the monitoring of food. While it offers excellent moisture circulation and a lifetime warranty, users should be aware that the pot is quite heavy, requires a significant financial investment, heats up slowly, and demands careful handling to prevent potential enamel chipping despite being dishwasher safe.